Now, if you happen to watch part 5, you'll know that yesterday I had a disaster. This is what I refer to as a catastrophic catch. Now, you might call it something else. And I won't be needing the tool rest for what I'm going to be doing now. Now I have found that once I've stabilized the pen blank with the cactus juice, when I'm sanding I want to keep my RPM down. I don't want to be producing any extra heat here. I'll talk more about that when I'm putting on the friction polish. Now, naturally, if I was planning on using that piece on a real pen, I'd do a lot better job on the ends. But this is just to see how well that cactus juice worked its way right into the blank. Now, when you're looking at the end grain side of it, you can see like thousands of those little capillaries. Well, yeah, thousands. And looks like they're pretty well all sealed up. There's the odd little place where I'm seeing what could be a void, but I'm going to take a closer look. Well, I can't take the time to count them, but I would say that maybe only 1 in 300 or 400 doesn't have the cactus juice in it. So what would that be? Better than 99% saturated? I think that passes. So now I'll tell you why I like to keep the blank cool. Well, it's pretty hard to keep it cool, but I don't want to get it real hot. And I've found that sometimes if I crank the RPM all the way up to over 3000 RPM, thinking that it's going to polish better, what's happening is the friction is making it really hot, and I think what's happening is the cactus juice is melting. And then I'm getting sort of streaks. It's almost like I finished my blank down with coarse sandpaper. Well, anyway, that's my theory. I find that if I, let it run slow and just sort of buff it, I'll end up with a nice finish, like this. Now I know what it would have looked like had everything worked out okay. It would have been nice, but nothing spectacular. I think the mahogany is going to look just as nice with the grain running lengthways, the way I've done it many times before with mahogany.